Hello everyone, this is Motherbee. Today, I'll be showing you how I make my own version of sushi.
So let's get started.
In a clean bowl, soak 4 cups of Japanese rice with 4 cups of water for 30 minutes. Then transfer into a casserole. And cook at high heat for 5 minutes. When the water starts to boil, reduce the heat to low and continue to cook for another 20 minutes or until rice is soft and cooked. Transfer the cooked rice into a non-metallic container and let it cool down. Then, pour over the vinegar and mirin into the cooked rice and mix thoroughly. Scoop out the seasoned rice into the nori. And spread evenly, leaving 1/3 space from the bottom edge. Put mayonnaise on top of the rice, then spread evenly. Add the salmon fillet, cucumber, wakame, then roll tightly the sushi. Cut into pieces, then serve.
Thank you for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and follow me in Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So, have a great day! Bye!